1. 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $28,900, located Louisville, Kentucky.
This 1972 Chevrolet Nova is a classic American muscle car finished in eye-catching hugger orange with a clean black interior. Powered by a dependable 350 cubic inch V8 engine and paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, this Nova offers a strong combination of performance and drivability. The engine has been upgraded with an Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock carburetor, aluminum radiator, performance camshaft, and full-length headers connected to a dual exhaust system that gives the car an aggressive muscle car sound. Additional features include power steering, power front disc brakes, and a durable 10-bolt rear end. The exterior presents well with a solid body and driver-quality paint that makes the car stand out at local cruise nights and car shows. For added visual appeal, SS-style hood and emblems have been installed while maintaining the overall classic Nova appearance. Inside, the cabin features high-back bucket seats, a floor-mounted shifter, aftermarket gauges, including tachometer, oil pressure, temperature, and volt gauges, along with a CD player. This Chevrolet Nova is a reliable and enjoyable classic that runs, drives, and performs exceptionally well. Subscribe to Fun Classic Cars for more amazing classic cars, hot rods, muscle cars, and rare automotive finds.
2. 1970 Chevrolet Impala Custom. Price, $10,000, located Council Bluffs, Iowa.
This 1970 Chevrolet Impala Custom 2-door hardtop is a powerful street machine that combines classic full-size Chevrolet styling with substantial performance upgrades. Under the hood is a built 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine featuring scat-forged internals, aluminum cylinder heads, a CompExtreme camshaft, and an Edelbrock Performer RPM intake manifold. Fuel delivery is handled by a double pumper carburetor, Holley electric fuel pump, and fuel pressure regulator. The engine is backed by a 4L80 automatic transmission with a manual valve body, B&M shifter, lock-up torque converter, and a high-stall setup designed for strong acceleration. Additional upgrades include an Auburn Posey 12-bolt rear end with 3.73 gears, aluminum radiator, electric cooling fans, tubular control arms, adjustable rear control arms, new shocks, fuel tank, and replacement floor pans. The vehicle also features a sound system with amplifiers and subwoofer. Finished in black over a blue interior, this Impala remains a solid project and driver that offers impressive performance potential along with classic Chevrolet muscle car character.
3. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Drag Car. Price, $28,000, located Croydon, Pennsylvania.
This 1972 Chevrolet Nova drag car is a purpose-built race machine designed for serious quarter-mile performance. Built as a back-half ladder bar car, this Nova features a proven chassis combination capable of handling substantial horsepower while maintaining excellent traction and consistency.
Power comes from a 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with steel cylinder heads and race-oriented components.
The engine has relatively limited use since its most recent refresh, making it an attractive option for racers seeking a ready-to-compete package. The drivetrain includes an aftermarket case Powerglide transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end, two components highly respected throughout the drag racing community for their durability and reliability. The car has been configured to accommodate multiple racing combinations and remains competitive in bracket and heads-up racing environments. Additional race-prepared features include a certified roll cage, specialized suspension components, and a lightweight setup focused on maximizing track performance. With documented track results and proven capability, this Chevrolet Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for racers looking for a strong and competitive drag car platform. 4. 1982 Chevrolet S10 Pro Street. Price, $23,500, located Glenside, Pennsylvania. This 1982 Chevrolet S10 Pro Street is an exceptionally detailed custom truck that blends show-quality fabrication with real street performance. Built by Competition Fabrications as a showcase vehicle, the truck features extensive chassis modifications including a professionally back-half frame, reinforced front structure, ladder bar suspension, adjustable coilover shocks, and a narrowed rear axle assembly. Despite its aggressive appearance, this S10 was designed as a street-driven vehicle and retains many comfort features. Power comes from a well-built 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine equipped with 4-bolt mains, aluminum cylinder heads, roller rockers, performance camshaft, electronic fuel injection, MSD ignition, and ceramic-coated headers.
The engine is paired with a 700R4 overdrive automatic transmission, making highway driving comfortable and efficient.
Additional features include air conditioning, heat, power windows, power locks, power driver seat, premium audio system, and a custom gray tweed interior. Finished in purple with blacked-out trim and modern LED lighting, this Chevrolet S10 delivers outstanding style, comfort, and performance in one impressive package.
5. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Twin Turbo LS. Price, $35,000, located Moyock, North Carolina.
This 1972 Chevrolet Nova Twin Turbo LS is a serious street and strip performer built around a modern turbocharged LS platform. The car retains an all-steel body with the exception of the hood and deck lid while maintaining all original glass for a clean and functional appearance. Designed for high horsepower applications, the chassis features a ladder bar back half setup, tubular control arms, and rack and pinion steering for improved handling and stability. Power is provided by a forged 5.3-liter LS engine fitted with desirable 799 cylinder heads and managed by a Holley HP EFI system. Twin billet ball bearing turbochargers provide substantial forced induction while a large air-to-air intercooler helps maintain efficient intake temperatures. Supporting components include Holley injectors, dual electronic boost control valves, performance fuel system upgrades, and a Holley digital dash.
The drivetrain is completed by a Powerglide transmission with Trans brake and Nicky Thompson tires for excellent traction.
Combining modern technology with classic Nova styling, this Chevrolet offers exceptional performance and impressive street presence.
6. 1966 Plymouth Satellite. Price, $6,000, located McLouth, Kansas.
This 1966 Plymouth Satellite Coupe is a classic Mopar project car that offers an excellent foundation for restoration, customization, or muscle car preservation.
Finished in red, this Satellite represents one of Plymouth's most recognizable intermediate body designs from the mid-60s. Equipped with a 360 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, the vehicle has the essential components necessary for a future performance-oriented build. The car has been stored indoors for many years, helping preserve many of its original features and overall structure. While it is currently not running and will require transportation by trailer, it presents an opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable entry into classic Mopar ownership. Included with the sale is an additional set of doors, providing useful replacement parts for restoration work or future repairs. The Plymouth Satellite has become increasingly popular among collectors due to its connection to the golden era of American muscle cars. With its desirable coupe body style, V8 power, and restoration potential, this vehicle offers a solid starting point for someone looking to create a distinctive classic Plymouth. 7. 1985 Ford Mustang GT. Price, $8,500, located Van Buren Township, Michigan. This 1985 Ford Mustang GT is a well-equipped Fox body performance car that combines classic 80s styling with a variety of proven performance upgrades. Under the hood is a 302 cubic inch small block Ford engine featuring ported GT40P cylinder heads, roller rockers, an E303 performance camshaft, and a newly installed ATM XRSC 650 carburetor. Additional enhancements include BBK long tube headers, a Holley blue fuel pump, fresh ignition components, and a recently replaced alternator. The drivetrain features a desirable T5 manual transmission that delivers an engaging driving experience while maximizing the performance potential of the upgraded engine combination. Subframe connectors have also been installed to improve chassis rigidity and overall handling characteristics. Included with the sale is an additional rear axle assembly and an extra set of wheels fitted with racing slicks. Finished in red, this Mustang offers strong performance potential and remains one of the most popular platforms among Ford enthusiasts. Combining affordability, aftermarket support, and proven V8 performance, this Fox body Mustang is an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a fun and highly customizable classic performance vehicle. 8. 1972 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D. Price, $31,999, located Rockville, Maryland. This 1972 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe is a powerful second-generation muscle car built with a strong emphasis on mechanical performance and drivability. Known for its aggressive styling and excellent performance potential, the Camaro remains one of Chevrolet's most respected muscle car platforms.
Finished in white, this example offers classic appearance combined with a performance-oriented setup that has been carefully developed over time. The seller describes the vehicle as mechanically exceptional, highlighting its strong performance capabilities and overall reliability. While the paint presents well for a driver-quality vehicle, the car is intended to be enjoyed on the road rather than preserved solely as a showpiece. The vehicle currently requires a replacement hood due to damage, but remains fully functional and ready for continued use. This Camaro represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a classic muscle car that prioritizes performance over perfection. With proven mechanical components and impressive capability, it delivers the type of driving experience that has made the Camaro a favorite among generations of American performance car enthusiasts.
9. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Drag Car Roller. Price, $15,000, located Chesterfield, Virginia.
This 1972 Chevrolet Nova drag car roller is a professionally prepared race chassis designed for serious drag racing competition. Built around a Smith Racicraft tubular front subframe, the car is configured for a big block Chevrolet and Powerglide transmission combination, making it an ideal foundation for racers seeking a competitive platform. The chassis features motor plates, a tubular transmission crossmember, and a mild steel roll cage designed to meet demanding racing requirements. Weight reduction and performance enhancements include a fiberglass front end, fiberglass doors, carbon fiber deck lid, and lightweight Lexan side and rear windows. The rear suspension consists of a ladder bar setup paired with a Ford 9-inch rear end featuring a lightweight aluminum center section and heavy-duty 35 spline axles. Additional equipment includes Willwood brakes, an MSD grid ignition controller, arc switch panel, MagnaFuel fuel system, and beadlock racing wheels fitted with low-pass count radial tires. With a clean title and extensive race-ready equipment already installed, this Nova roller offers an outstanding opportunity for anyone looking to complete a competitive drag racing vehicle.
10. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street. Price, $58,000, located Harrisonburg, Virginia.
This 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street is an exceptionally powerful street and strip machine built with premium components throughout. At its heart is a massive 632 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine based on a dark Big M block and topped with Brodix BB3 cylinder heads. Forced induction comes from a blower shop 14 to 71 billet supercharger fed by dual quick fuel carburetors, creating a combination capable of producing extraordinary horsepower. To further enhance performance, the car is equipped with a nitrous express system featuring advanced bottle controls and electronic accessories. Supporting components include MSD grid ignition, a Powerglide transmission with trans brake, and a Ford 9-inch rear end engineered to withstand extreme power levels. The suspension features Viking double adjustable coilovers and tubular control arms, while four-wheel disc brakes provide confident stopping power. Finished in red with a black interior, this Nova rides on massive rear tires and produces an unmistakable presence wherever it appears. Built for enthusiasts who demand serious horsepower, this Chevrolet represents a highly capable pro street vehicle with premium equipment throughout.
11. 1981 Camaro Tube Chassis Race Car. Price, $30,000, located Fairview, Pennsylvania.
This 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Tube Chassis race car is a dedicated competition vehicle engineered specifically for drag racing performance. Constructed with a round tube chassis and retaining steel roof and quarter panels, the car achieves an impressive balance between structural integrity and lightweight performance. Weighing approximately 2,500 pounds, the chassis is designed to maximize acceleration while maintaining stability and safety under demanding racing conditions.
Power comes from a potent 582 cubic inch engine built on a bowtie block and fitted with Pontiac cylinder heads.
This unique engine combination delivers substantial horsepower and torque, making the Camaro highly competitive in multiple racing categories. The drivetrain includes a turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake for consistent launches and improved reaction times. At the rear, a heavy-duty Dana 60 differential provides exceptional strength and reliability when handling high-horsepower applications. The vehicle may also be purchased as a roller depending on buyer requirements. This Camaro represents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a proven tube chassis platform with serious performance potential.
12. 1974 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $25,000, located Sanford, North Carolina.
This 1974 Chevrolet Vega is a lightweight race-oriented machine built to deliver impressive acceleration and competitive track performance. The Vega platform has long been popular among drag racers due to its compact dimensions and favorable power-to-weight ratio. This example has been transformed into a serious performance vehicle while maintaining the recognizable appearance of the classic Chevrolet body style. Power comes from a freshly built 421 cubic inch engine based on a 400 cubic inch foundation that has been professionally bored and upgraded for increased displacement. The engine is complemented by a nitrous oxide system that provides substantial additional horsepower when activated. A Powerglide transmission transfers power efficiently and is widely regarded as one of the most dependable choices for drag racing applications. The vehicle has accumulated relatively limited mileage since completion and is described as extremely fast. Extensive documentation and paperwork accompany the build, providing valuable records of the work performed. Combining lightweight construction, substantial horsepower, and race-proven components, the Chevrolet Vega offers exceptional performance for enthusiasts seeking a serious street and strip vehicle.